there, it's Hannah with WTI, and I love to make my bedroom feel like an oasis. And adding this muslin blanket to my bedding setup has been such a game changer for me.
You can wrap yourself in dreamy comfort with this 8-layer muslin quilt crafted from 100% Turkish cotton. It is elegance meeting everyday luxury. It has 8 ultra soft layers of muslin. It gives you just the right balance of warmth and breathability. I'm a very hot sleeper, so this is the perfect thing to have on my bed. I've been sleeping so well while I've been under this blanket. It is from CYC Atelier, and they really just know what they're doing. I have this in the color tan, and I love that it is two different colors, tan on one side and white on the other. So versatile.
This blanket just takes comfort to the next level, and I think everyone should get one. And that's my point of view.